Welcome to Smartwatch Specs.
Good day, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news, and reviews. We are back with our Huafit Watch S12 Plus smartwatch. This is the second unboxing video review for this wearable. On our previous video, we focuses on the design, the specs, and the UI. On this video, we will focus on the menus and features. Okay, so we'll check if what are the features loaded to this wearable. Although we do have some details here, it is much better to check it here directly on the smartwatch. Okay, so if you are interested to know more about this wearable, especially on its offered menus and features, watch this video and again support our channel, like, share, and subscribe. Okay, so let's begin and explore the offered menus and features of one of the latest smartwatch from Huafit, the Huafit Watch S12 Plus smartwatch. Again, this is the packaging. We do have some features here. We have the heart rate monitoring, stunning colors. Here on the side, we do have the weather forecast, multi-sports mode, 24-hour heart rate, and we have information reminder. So this one, it is a push notification. We also have here sleep monitoring. Okay, so that's it for the details of our wearable. So for the smartwatch, so this is your smartwatch. Sporty, lightweight design, slim profile. So for the UI, again, this is not rotary, just power on and off button and back button as well. Settings and options here on top. Notifications on the bottom part. Split screen. And we have here the widgets. Okay. So for the menus and features, just press the power button here. So what are the features loaded to this wearable? We have a Bluetooth call support with features for contacts, call history, and keypad. We also have here the daily activity tracking. We have a heart rate monitoring. Based on the box here, it is a 24-hour heart rate monitoring. I guess you can set it on the support app. We have the stress monitoring also. On back, we have workout. So multiple sports mode. Let's see. We have the basics here. Tennis, walking, football, volleyball. We also have here rugby, hockey, dance, yoga, and other sports. So limited to how many? Let's count. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21 sports functions. We have blood oxygen monitoring. We have a sleep monitoring. We also have here a music control, Bluetooth music control, weather report, alarm, breathing exercises. We have push notifications. We also have here voice assistant. So we have here the toolbox. So what are the tools included in this toolbox? We have a stopwatch. Okay, we have a timer. We have a fine phone, flashlight. Okay, let's see. Okay, we have a remote shutter. This is for the photo control of your phone. We also have here a calculator. Nice. We also have here a calendar. So it is packed with tools, okay, or important functions here. We have SOS. Okay, on the settings, we have watch face and theme. Okay, so we have here different watch faces. Going back to the settings, we have theme. Okay, we only have two, list and honeycomb. We have brightness adjustment and display duration up to 60 seconds. We have the brightness here. I think the brightness is just okay. We have sound and vibration. We have a media volume. You can silent also the smartwatch. You can increase also the vibration here. Okay, we also have middle, low, and high. Okay, we have raise to wake option. We also have do not disturb. Select language, so multiple language is supported. Let's go back to English. We have the QR code for the support app. We have about Huafit S12 Plus, and we have the system here. We have restart, power off, and reset. Okay, it got the basics for the settings. Again, here are the menus and features for this wearable. Music control, weather, alarm. Again, we only have 21 supports functions. So basics features here, or basic setup for the menus for our Huafit Watch S12 Plus. Anyway, very affordable wearable, lightweight, slim form factor, plastic body frame, and of course we do have the Bluetooth call, IP68 180M waterproof protection. Again, if you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, drop a comment below, and of course support our channel, like, share, and subscribe.